The road from Akinima to Joinkrama is cut off by erosion. Though the chairman has made a bypass, but the bypass is not enough. It's causing a big problem.
When you say bypass, what do you mean?
Okay, the road was cut off from end to end. Then the local government chairman made a bypass from the bush.
Is it something that's motorable, or is it something that you just have to go on foot? What's the bypass like? That's what we want to know. Is it like they constructed a temporary road that people can use, or was it just a bush path, or what's the situation of the bypass? How does it look like?
Okay, the chairman graded the area and poured sand, so motor can pass, but big motors cannot pass.
Okay, so currently you could have vehicles go through the bypass, but not as much as heavy duty vehicles cannot go through.
Yes.
All right, so how is this now affecting the economic activities of people in those areas? Because I am aware that it's became really difficult to go through those areas and meet with people in the communities. Since after the flood, what has been done? How are people, getting back to their lives? What's the situation?
Before people will get back to their life, some people will take up to January, because the houses where we pack our things, where people pack their things above the floor of 2012. The flood went higher than the 2012, and everything was covered by the flood. So the problem there is that government has not helped us enough. Some of the palliatives sent to us 40 bags of yam for the whole community.
How many tubers of yam?
40 bags of yam for the whole community.
Which community exactly? Which of the communities, if you can name them?
Ususu, Joinkrama, Ususu, Ogu community. 3 liters of red oil for the whole community, Ususu, Ogu community. 1 student foam sent by NEMA, half bag of rice for the whole community. 4 cartons of Indomie, half small bag of beans for the whole community.
How often did this come, or when were these items delivered, and who delivered them?
So this item came during the flood. Then some came immediately after the flood.
Who brought them?
Okay, Shell brought some. NEMA brought some. The government brought some.
What did NEMA bring? Aside, you said one small foam was brought by NEMA for the whole community.
So the items are still lying down in my house.
What?
There is no way to share them among the 6 families. What the people of Ususu Ogu community want is government should supply us with cassava stems, plantain and banana sucker for the replanting against next year. Though we don't know whether the flood will be as big as this year's flood. So that's what we want. That's what the people of Joinkrama want. We want medical attention because people are sick. We drink from the river.
I was about asking you that question, where you get water from.
Well, we drink from the river.
Okay.